In this video, I'll show you how you can create a PayPal account on your mobile phone. For that, you need to download the PayPal app. So right there, I'm using an Android device. You can also do this on iOS. You simply need to download the PayPal app. Now, once you've downloaded it, you want to open the app. So I'm going to do that right now. And then right there, it will say, don't use PayPal yet, sign up now. So you want to click on that. And then we'll say, let's get started. First, let's add your mobile phone number. So add your phone number, which I'll do right now. Then you want to click on continue, and then you want to confirm that you got our text. So right now I'll get a text, and then I'm going to put that in. There we go. And there you go. So now you need to set it up with some basic details. So enter your email and a password, which I'll do right now. So let's just say I'm gonna add my email. There we go. At gmail.com. Then come up with a password, which obviously I'm not gonna show to you guys. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with my password. And there you go. So once you've got that set up, you want to enter your nationality, your first name, last name, and date of birth. I'll also do that right now. So my first name is Yuri. There we go. I'm not going to show you guys my last name, and then the date of birth right there. So you want to select that as well. I'll just go with whatever right now for the sake of this video. And there we go. So put in all of the details and then click on continue right there. Next up, you can add an address to your profile. So start typing your address and you can then add that. This should include a street and house number for a better result. Once you've done that, you want to tick these two boxes, and then right there it will say agree and create account. Click on it, and that's exactly how you can create your own PayPal account on your mobile device. So this might take a while. Okay, there we go. So I already got accepted. There we are. Now, next up, you can actually start linking a bank account. I'm not going to do that right now, but I recommend doing that when you actually want to use it. Ready, set, go with PayPal. So right now I can send money, I can request money, and I can also get a link. Now that's pretty much how you can create a PayPal account on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if it works. If not, then I'll try to fix it. If it didn't, then I'll try to fix that with you, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.